What's up guys, this is Chris FPV here and I am back with another unboxing video. I don't know, I think this must be a receiver and I don't quite know what is inside here, so we will just unbox it and see what we have got inside here. Alright, so I guess we will start with this one. So put this aside. Maybe this one will be for another unboxing video, you know. Alright, let's open it. Alright, so this is Runcam Born RC Fanatics. This must be the Runcam turret that I ordered, right? Let's got this open. Let's just open it, you know. I'm so excited to get this. Nice.
Oh my god! Wow!
There we go. So here, your Runcam turret comes in this little nice box. So let's get this one out. So here we have the Runcam 3S. Let's see what we have got inside the box. We also have a little nice box. This is the manual. In here you get a USB to, like, I think that must be for video or something like that. By the way, I think like you can plug it in here and you can also use it maybe as your FPV camera. I'm not sure. I figured that one out. And you also get 2 additional straps for your drone. Like, this is FPV camera, so you're going to mount this on your drone. So I guess this is for, like, you just use a strap to secure it. There you go. And you also have a little nice USB cable for charging it. The battery is changeable, I guess. And then here you can get a battery out. So the battery is changeable. 850. I don't know how long this is going to take. Okay, so here's a manual. I don't really know how this thing works. So in the front you have a microphone here. Camera status, which is 2. Okay, there. Power shutter button.
Boring!
Oh, okay, so here is it. Like, blink is less than 10% of your battery capacity. Alright, so here you have like your manual written in English, which is really nice. And at the back you also have Chinese. Hi guys, welcome back. Here I'm in the park, so I'm just going to try and get like FPV footage to let you know how the video quality seems like. By the way, I'm not all that good at flying freestyle, so don't expect that this is just like the camera quality.